Hello audience, welcome to new another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix. Please check your connection and try again. Support code C14B. Problem. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first, tap hold Snapchat. Now click storage. Now click clear cache and clear data. Now click all permission. Allow all permission. Now go back. Now click Play Store, search Snapchat and check update. My Snapchat already updated. Now go back. Now click aeroplane mode, off and on. Now open Snapchat. Thank you for my watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.